Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a photo with transparent background on Picsart. So here I've already on the Picsart create page. So if you want to use a blank or a transparent background on your photos, you can just click on the blank in here, or you can go to backgrounds, click on the color backgrounds and choose this blank backgrounds. So this means that your photos later will have no background. So in here I'm going to just use stickers, for example, or you can also add your photo. So I'm going to just tap on sticker, and then here I'm going to, for example, just like this one's right here, YouTube icon. You can adjust the size, and after that you can click on a check icon or click on just the arrow down to save this photo with transparent background. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.